This is the NordicTrack T Series, a 6.5 treadmill. I'm really liking this treadmill. We've had it for a couple years now. And then before this, we had the same exact treadmill for like 10 plus years. The only reason we got this new one was because our basement flooded and it broke because it got full of water. So we did purchase the same exact one. But like I said, it lasted over 10 years. It had a lot of running and walking that we did with it. I also really like it. It has really big holders for your water, huge water bottle. It has a holder right here that you could use for your, like a tablet, phone, books, whatever. And then it has the safety string right here, so it will just shut off, which is nice. It has the incline, speed, which is great if you're running. It's very easy to just press a button, and then you can press stop if you need to. And then here's the time, distance, incline, speed, and then it will show your pulse when you hold right here on either side. I think this screen is about 5 inches. There's also the iFit membership if that's something you'd be interested in. And then there's a bunch of different modes you can choose from. Then you can also, it has the speakers right here, so it has the aux plug-in right here. I use this a lot for running, walking. The incline goes up to 10, and then the speed also goes up to 10 miles per hour. It's very dirty because my kids always draw on it with chalk and whatever, and I don't notice, but very easy to fold up. And then you just press right here and it glides down nice. You don't have to do anything. So this was very good purchase. I don't think it is very loud. Can turn it on and see. I definitely think it's loud if you're running, but other than that, I don't find it to be too loud. So I definitely think this was a great purchase. And yeah, I'm glad we got the same one again.